The Golden Coast, so called by Europeans on account of its abundant and copious yield of gold things and treasures of nature, as also of successful minds.
Let's take a trip to a small town in the central region of Ghana, Elmina, a town with a multifaceted nature. Set to be developed to become a major tourist attraction by 2015, Elmina is a striking combination of old and new, history and future.
Overlooking the Benya Lagoon, Elmina was established 700 years ago as a salt production center with strong trade links to the goldfields in the present-day Takwa and Obuasi. It was the village's wealthy stockpile of gold that led the Portuguese to name it Elmina, the mine, and to select it as their center of operations on the Gold Coast till the 1870s. This is where the Portuguese first made contact with West Africa. 150 kilometers west of Accra, Elmina is found in the central region of Ghana. Set on the Atlantic coast, it harbors the famous World Heritage Site, Elmina Castle. Elmina retains a relatively rustic feel. The busy fish market and colorful harbor nestle below the castle. On the opposite side of the lagoon, the Hilltop Fort Santiago, built in 1666. The imposing Elmina Castle, whose dramatic and provocative architecture draws from both Portuguese and Dutch elements, dominates Elmina's skyline. Founded in 1482, Elmina Castle is the oldest surviving European building in sub-Saharan Africa. The Dutch used Elmina Castle as a slave warehouse.
When the British built the castle in 1665, they found it most expedient to bring in soldiers to protect this edifice. Out of that, that section was used as a barracks. It started from about 1665 with about 120 soldiers, British soldiers. Later they recruited some Africans to strengthen the forces. As at now, the place is being used for shops, but before then it has been used as prisons. When you go to the former British residence, it was used as a military residence for some officers. The former Anglican church is being used as children's library.
The uniqueness of Elmina Castle is in the sense that it is the first of its kind in the whole of tropical Africa. It was the one to be built first and has seen so many people go through it, and therefore tends to have much more history, unlike that of Cape Coast, which came to be built later on.
The The Golden Coast, so called by Europeans on account of its abundant and copious yield of gold things and treasures of nature, is also of successful minds.
The seasons are ripe to set ablaze the fires of our lives. I see my people lifting their lives again. Shine or rain, beloved, go back Jojo, Apo, Aqua Momo, Yop Fetu. Kunduma watch it as a photo film.